So guys, ayan, gumagamit ako nito na Heraglo. Heraglo, ayan. Heraglo, ito yung secret ko kung bakit, ano. Kung nakikita nyo, ito ay pampaputi, pampapresh, pampatinas, ayan. 30 capsule, 500 gigabytes, ayan. Ito, Heraglo, ayan. Kung nakikita nyo, diba? Wala pang effect. Side effect pa lang yan. Inuna ko muna yung side effect bago yung effect. Walang yellow basket. Kayo na lang mag-provide ng yellow basket. Oo. Kung nakikita nyo, wala akong yellow basket na kalagay. Bring your own po, okay? Bring your own yellow basket kung mag-check out kayo. Ayan. Kung gusto niyo mag-order ng Heraglo 2-in-1 and 300 capsule, 500 gigabytes. We have a benefits under construction. Check out na. Bring your own yellow basket. Ayan, kagaya nito. Ayan. Bring your own yellow basket kung mag-check out kayo kasi wala akong basket sa aking TikTok shop. Okay, para makapag-check out, bring your own yellow basket. Kahit anong kulay, yellow or red, pink, blue, kahit anong basket. Basta may basket. Okay? Check out na kayo ng Heraglo Absolute Hairdresser 20-in-1 30 capsule 500 gigabytes with 15 gasoline station. No approach to your peaceful life. May peaceful life. Check out na kayo. Wala akong yellow basket. Bring your own basket na lang. Okay? Bring your own.